Hey folks, how's it going? I'm Josh. Today I'm checking out Heckled by Strange Noises. Peter K. Guys, please continue to leave your comments below. All our videos based for your comments. If you are subscribed, we check those out first. We also have a Patreon, but if you can't afford to donate to it, that is all good. Just continue to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. That's all we get asked for. And also, if this gets blocked, guys, we put it on Daily Motion. So make sure you follow us on Daily Motion as well if you would like to do that. So let's jump into this.
Sometimes you don't even get people shouting out. Sometimes you just get heckled by noises.
See, what's happening there? There's a goat. Someone let a goat in. Is there a goat just come in here? You know, he's up there now. Oh, get out! Get that goat out. What's that noise? Can you hear a noise then? Did you hear it? Like thunder?
Did you hear it?
What is it? Drop my wallet, cheeky bastard. You've dropped your wallet. That's staying in.
Big money.
I have not got a clue. Don't know whether it were a girl or a mini rocket. Don't know. We all heard it though, didn't we? And it went on a little bit too long, didn't it? A little bit eerily too long. And between me and you, I hope it don't happen again. Because you feel guilty with the environment. I can't put a can of Coke in bin at home, me. I've got to get it out, put it outside with all my recycling.
What was that? Like ominous tone or a boat?
Did that just happen then? I've just been heckled by a ship. Who smuggled the ship in? Anyway, I'll just brush over that. I've never been heckled by a ship before.
I like that lady. I heard her twice in the back with that scream laugh. Oh, that was it? That's funny. That was funny. I like heckle. I've said this before. I like heckle videos. The ones I actually really like are the ones when a comedian like lays into a person. I knew this wasn't gonna be that because it said he's heckled by strange noises. But my favorite ones are really. That's why somebody recommended this, probably because I'm always saying like how I like when people get like heckled, like when a comedian gets heckled and then a comedian gives it to the person who heckled them, like lays into them. I always like that. But yeah. So I enjoyed this, guys, man. Thank you so much for recommending this. I won't stretch this out too long. I enjoyed it. That's all. So, of course, give me more recommendations as what you want us to check out next. And hopefully you guys are happy, safe, and healthy. And I'll see you in the next one. Later.